Unlock the gateway to seamless transactions in China by mastering Alipay account creation and verification. First, head to your device's App Store and search for Alipay. Once you find it, tap to download and install the application. Upon opening Alipay, you'll see a sign-up prompt. Choose the option for international users. If your phone number is not a Chinese mainland number, enter your valid mobile phone number, then tap to agree to their terms and conditions. You'll receive a verification code via SMS on the number you provided. Enter this code into the designated field within the app to confirm your phone number. Now, navigate to your personal profile within the Alipay app. Look for an option related to identity verification or real name authentication. Tap on this to begin the verification process. This is where you'll provide your identification documents. Most international users will need to upload a clear image of their passport. Ensure your full name, passport number, and expiration date are accurately entered as they appear on your passport. Alipay may also require you to take a live selfie. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. This usually involves holding your phone steady and looking directly at the camera, sometimes with specific facial movements to prove you are a real person. Once you've submitted your information and selfie, your verification request will be sent for processing. This can take a few minutes to a few business days, depending on the volume of requests. You'll receive a notification once your account is successfully verified. You'll likely see a badge or a status update on your profile indicating your verified status. For enhanced security, it's crucial to set up a strong payment password and explore other security features available in the app settings, such as two-factor authentication or security questions. Congratulations! Your verified Alipay account is now ready for you to explore its vast range of online shopping and payment services.